In this video, we will complete the Java installation. So this is the file which I downloaded in the last video. Let's double click to launch it. It will open up the installation wizard. Click on Next. Now you have to note down the location where the installed Java files will be stored. For me, it is showing this path. In your case, the path might be different. So please make sure you note down this location because we will need it later. So again, click on Next. So yes, our installation is complete. Now our next step will be to make Java globally accessible by all the Java applications present in our operating system. So this will allow us to run Eclipse IDE in our system. So for that, you need to navigate to the location where your Java is installed. Remember, during installation I told you to note down the location where your Java was supposed to be installed. For me, the location is C drive, program files, Java. So here we go, this is the JDK folder. Just open it and then open this bin folder. Now here at the top, to the right of bin, just click here. This will allow you to copy the path. Just copy it. Now please note that in your case, this bin folder location could be different. But it doesn't matter. Just copy the complete path, whatever it shows you. And then right click on this PC icon. Select Properties. Then Advanced System Settings. Here, make sure the Advanced tab is selected. Click on Environment Variables. And here at the bottom, you will find a path variable. Now in your case, this variable name could be all in capital letters or in small letters. But don't worry, the name is case insensitive. Whatever it shows you in your case, just select it and click on Edit. Then click on New over here. And here where the cursor is blinking, just paste the copied location to the bin folder. Once you paste it, click on OK. OK again. And finally OK at the end. Now to verify if everything is in place or not, just open the command prompt. Type command prompt to search for the command prompt app. And type Java space -version and hit enter. So here we go, we have successfully installed Java in our system. And this is the runtime environment which we need to run Eclipse IDE. So yes, that's all for this video. In the next video, we will install the required compiler.